TGB Blade 1000 LTX. The TGB Blade 1000 LTX is an all-terrain vehicle, ATV, that delivers outstanding performance and versatility, making it a top choice for both rugged off-road adventures and smooth cruising. Powered by a robust 997cc V-twin engine, it generates 83 horsepower and 90 Nm of torque, ensuring plenty of power to tackle challenging terrains. The reprofiled camshaft enhances low-end torque and provides a smoother power delivery, making it easier to handle in various conditions. The Blade 1000 LTX features an aggressive design, highlighted by a sleek front end with LED lights and indicators that improve both visibility and aesthetics. Vanderhall Venice. The Vanderhall Venice is a striking three-wheel roadster that combines vintage charm with modern performance, making it an attention grabber on any road. This autocycle is a dream come true for thrill seekers and adventure enthusiasts, offering an open-air driving experience that feels both exhilarating and nostalgic. Powered by a choice of either a 1.4L or 1.6L turbocharged engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, the Venice delivers impressive speed and agility. Its distinctive three-wheel configuration, 2 wheels at the front and 1 at the rear, provides a unique and dynamic driving experience that's hard to match. Whether you're zipping through city streets or navigating winding country roads, the Vanderhall Venice promises an unforgettable ride. Its blend of style, performance, and pure driving pleasure makes it a perfect choice for those looking to stand out and savor every moment on the road. Can-Am Maverick R Max. The Can-Am Maverick R Max, available at $35,500, redefines the off-roading experience with its remarkable power, advanced technology, and rugged design. At its heart is a turbocharged Rotax engine that delivers a jaw-dropping 240 horsepower, providing incredible acceleration for thrill seekers. The sophisticated S-Speed dual-clutch transmission ensures that this power is smoothly and efficiently delivered to the wheels, making every adventure more exhilarating. The Maverick R Max is built to conquer all terrains, thanks to its heavy-duty tall knuckles and state-of-the-art Smart Shock suspension system, which offer exceptional stability and comfort even on the roughest trails. Inside, the spacious cabin is equipped with a 10.25-inch touchscreen and BRP Go. Veemo SE. The Veemo SE is an innovative electric-assisted velomobile that reimagines urban commuting with its blend of bicycle efficiency and car-like comfort. Designed for city dwellers who prioritize sustainability and convenience, the Veemo SE offers a practical solution for everyday transportation. It features an enclosed cabin that protects riders from the elements, making it suitable for all-weather commuting. The electric assist system ensures a smooth and effortless ride, even when tackling inclines, while the pedal assist option allows riders to choose how much effort they want to exert, accommodating various fitness levels. With a top speed of around 25 miles per hour and a range that's perfect for daily commutes, the Veemo SE is an eco-friendly vehicle that promotes a healthier lifestyle while reducing carbon emissions. Navigating through busy urban streets becomes a breeze with this compact, innovative vehicle that represents the future of personal transportation. Mazda MX5 Miata. The Mazda MX5 Miata is a legendary two-seat roadster that has won over driving enthusiasts around the globe. Celebrated for its featherlight build and exceptional handling, the MX5 delivers an open-air driving experience that's nothing short of thrilling. Since its introduction in 1989, it has earned the title of the best-selling two-seat convertible of all time, highlighting its unmatched popularity. The latest generation, known as the ND, debuted in 2015 and continues to capture the essence of what makes the Miata so beloved: pure driving joy. Under the hood, it features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that pumps out 181 horsepower and 146 pound-feet of torque, striking a perfect balance between power and playfulness. Veloc Duster. The Veloc Duster is a bold concept that reimagines the Dacia Duster, a budget-friendly SUV popular in Europe, as an off-road beast. Designed by Piston Zero, a creative force in automotive design, the Veloc Duster transforms the humble Duster into a pre-runner, a specialized off-road vehicle built to tear through desert terrain at high speeds. This concept vehicle boasts a lifted suspension, oversized off-road tires, and a sturdy skid plate to protect its undercarriage, making it more than capable of conquering rugged landscapes. Its aggressive look is further enhanced by a wide-body kit and a redesigned front fascia that exude toughness and readiness for adventure. While the Veloc Duster is purely a concept and not available for purchase, it offers a glimpse into what's possible when a budget SUV is pushed to its limits. With its rugged design and off-road capabilities, the Veloc Duster is an exciting vision of what adventurous driving could look like in the future. LSEV 3D Printed Electric Car. The LSEV 3D Printed Electric Car represents the perfect blend of sustainability and innovation. This eco-friendly vehicle is crafted using a cutting-edge 3D printing process, which significantly reduces waste and slashes production time. Not only does this method benefit the environment, but it also results in a lightweight design that, combined with its electric powertrain, delivers a smooth and energy-efficient ride. The LSEV's unique 3D printing technique allows for the creation of a strong yet lightweight frame, setting it apart as a pioneer in sustainable transportation. The electric motor ensures a quiet, efficient driving experience, making it an excellent choice for those looking to minimize their environmental impact. With its forward-thinking design and commitment to sustainability, the LSEV is not just a car. It's a glimpse into the future of eco-friendly transportation. Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut. The Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute is a hypercar that has redefined automotive boundaries, breaking records and setting new standards in performance. Under the skilled hands of Koenigsegg's test driver, Marcus Lund, the Jesco Absolute blazed through a record-setting 27.83-second run, outperforming its predecessor, the Koenigsegg Regera, which set the record in 2023. With an astonishing top speed of 256 miles per hour, this beast of a car shattered multiple records during its run. At its core is a twin-turbocharged 5.0-liter V8 engine, fueled by E85, which unleashes a jaw-dropping 1,600 horsepower. The Jesco Absolute accelerates from 0 to 400 km per hour in just 18.82 seconds, reaching 250 miles per hour in 19.20 seconds, and taking a mere 28.27 seconds. Rezvani BEAST. The Rezvani BEAST is a hypercar that truly lives up to its fierce name, delivering a thrilling and intense driving experience. This powerhouse is equipped with a 1,000 horsepower twin-turbo 6.2-liter V8 engine, capable of launching the beast from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an astounding 2.5 seconds and blasting through the quarter mile in just 9.6 seconds. The beast's carbon fiber body, inspired by aerospace technology and Formula One, provides a super lightweight yet incredibly strong frame, ensuring agile and precise handling. The interior is a perfect blend of luxury and cutting-edge technology, featuring carbon fiber leather seats, a heads-up display, and Apple CarPlay, all integrated with a premium Bose sound system. The Hennessey Venom F5. The Hennessey Venom F5 is a hypercar that pushes the limits of speed and performance, setting new benchmarks in the automotive world. Engineered from the ground up by Hennessey Special Vehicles, the Venom F5 is powered by an astonishing 1,817 horsepower 6.6-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, aptly named Fury. This engine, combined with a 0.39 drag coefficient and a dry sump lubrication system, delivers unparalleled power and precision,